Welcome. Today we're doing the LEGO Classic 11006. We're going to do the little robot today. First we start out with this one clear brick 2x2. We're going to put this 2x2 circular piece right on top. Just like so. Then we will place this super thin 2x2 right on top of that. Just kind of making a nice stack. Next off, we take two of these little lantern looking ones. I always think these look like lanterns. We'll put two of those on the back half of this stack, kind of like so. Then you put a 1x2 right in front of that, like that. Straighten those out because of your OCD. And that will look somewhat like that. Then we're going to take another one of these thin ones, just stack it right on top, just making a little totem pole here. These little arm things, not arms, but like bar things. We're gonna put that on the back. Make sure the back is the bit with the studs sticking out like that. Like so. And then put this one. I love these pieces because they can change the direction of your bricks. Put that on front. That's gonna be for the eyes. Now for like a little cap, we're gonna put another one of these bars just right on front. Right on front above the eye sockets. And the 1x2x1 little piece here. Right on top. Now we need a little antenna for this guy. So we're gonna take these little, dropped it. We're gonna take these little studs, the little green and red ones. We're gonna put the green one first. I don't know why, it doesn't matter. There we go, green, and then do our red one. And then we're gonna put a little lever on top. Right there. And kind of move it back a little bit, give it a little bit of character. And put its eyes right on front. Like so. There we go, little cross-eyed robot. This on the picture it shows him looking down, but I like the cross-eyed look. We're gonna make arms. See, this looks like a little robot arm. I'm gonna put that right on the side, kind of at an angle. Take one of these grate pieces, I guess it would be called. Put that on there. There's his arm, makes him look a little beefier. And then we're gonna do the same for the other side. One bit there. And one bit there. There we go. There's a little robot. Gotta love it. Beep boop, beep beep, bop boop. And that's it. Thank you.